Hello, children. I have something special today. Lily, this is for you. A present. What is it, Mom? Thank you, Mom. I am so excited. Mom, why does Lily get a present? Do I get one too?
Oh, sweetie, what's wrong?
This wrapping paper is so pretty.
You're welcome, sweetie. I thought you'd like it.
Art supplies.
Wow.
Colored pencils and markers and paint. I love it so much.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie.
It is not fair. Why only Lily? I want a present too. I am sad. Oh, Luna, please do not cry. Let me explain why Lily got this gift. Lily got this gift because she worked very hard at school. She got all A grades. Thanks, Mom. I'm sorry. I love you both the same. But sometimes we get special things for special reasons. Do you understand? Lily got good grades, so this is a reward for working hard. I am sorry. I did not think about your feelings. I was selfish. We can share it. Okay. You two can draw together. You can use my paints too. Really? You will share with me? Can I really use your new art supplies? Yes, we can draw together. You can use any colors you want. Thank you, Lily. You are a good sister. I am happy now. This is fun.
Look at you both drawing together, sharing nicely. I am very proud of both of you.
Look, Mom. I drew a purple flower. Do you like it? I worked hard on it.
Wow, Lily.
I drew a green dinosaur with big, big teeth.
Is he like my tub? Both pictures are beautiful. I will put them both on the refrigerator.
Right here. Look, Luna. Our pictures are together. Yours and mine. Both on the fridge. They look nice. I love you, Mom.
And I love you too, Luna. It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
I should have asked how you felt. I was too excited. I did not notice you were sad. I felt left out. I thought you were more special than me, but now I understand. Oh my goodness, you two are wonderful. I love you both so much.
I made the same snack for both of you. Exactly the same.
Thank you, Mom. This looks yummy. I am hungry from all the drawing. Thank you, Mom.
How was your day today? Did you both have fun drawing together?
Yes, it was super fun. We drew a giant dragon and a castle. We both have to brush our teeth.
We have to brush our teeth before bed every night. Good hygiene. Good night, sweet Lily. I am proud of you for sharing with Luna today.
Good night, Mommy. I love you. Thank you for the art set. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Luna. I am proud of you for using your words to tell us your feelings.
Good night, Mom. I love you. Lily is nice for sharing. I am happy now. Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Bye!